The next data type we are looking into is your frozen set. So let me talk about frozen set. So in real time, we are not using much of this frozen set. So if you look at the difference between set and frozen set, so this is exactly the same as set. Obviously, it is same as set as the name itself indicates, but we have added a word called frozen. So if you check in terms of mutable and immutable, set is mutable, whereas frozen, what is frozen? So whatever set we have, that is immutable. Now if you want to make it immutable, you can do that by using a frozen set. So this is the just a small difference between set and frozen set. Let me do hands-on and show you. I'll take a new variable, for example s equal to, so this is a set. Okay, I'm taking a set 10 comma 20 comma 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Okay, let me take a set and let me print this, print s. Yeah, so we know that this is a set and the duplicates are not allowed. You get the value like 400, 10, 20, and the order is not preserved, everything on that. So if I want to make this set as a immutable, that like a frozen, I want to make it froze. So what you need to do here, you need to take a new name, new variable like frozen set. I'll just frozen this set. So how to frozen that? So I'll just say, hey, can you please frozen this set, frozen set of s, and now let me print the type of fs. Okay, so this set will be frozen. Then how to frozen that? By using a frozen set keyword, and that is stored in this fs. Now I'm checking this fs. Now you can see how, what is your output. Hey, this is a frozen set. So why we use frozen set? So if you want to convert your set to immutable, we just do that by using this keyword. Now if I say that, hey, can you please fs is your frozen set, fs is, okay, let me print fs and see, hey, this is your frozen set, can you please edit or can you add 50 in this? So if I say add 50, so it will throw you an error saying that this is not possible, and frozen set do not have this attribute called an add. So this is the small difference between set and frozen set. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.